Hi guys, here's your plans or your instructions for tomorrow or for whenever you're getting this. Maybe it's today, the Wednesday the 10th, and I'm going to go ahead and talk about Thursday the 11th. Again, your lessons are here on your page in your planner, and when you go into that, you can find your Google Doc. So for Wednesday, you're doing review, lesson, and practice in your packet, examples 1 and 2, and then A, numbers 1 through 4. Thursday, you'll complete practice B, numbers 1 through 4. Again, you can find your keys here to check it. Friday, you're going to do a choice board formative. Again, this is just like a tic-tac-toe board. It's got 9 problems on it, and you'll have to choose 2 to work from. And again, they're going to be open note, just like always. So that will get us through the rest of this week. Please feel free to reach out through It's Learning if you have any questions about what you're doing this week. And I hope you guys are doing good, and I will be back next week. I'll be there on the 16th. Of course, we know Monday is going to be an online learning day, and you will be able to start looking through your plan for your test. This will be your test in this unit. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing good, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.